The first thing Milestone 2 wants us to do is to go to the Career Services and do an exit interview. Many of you are very close to graduation, and so it's important for you to know about the resources in the Career Services Center. This is the place where you'll find help with building a resume, researching employers, learning about networking, and all the skills and tools that it takes to find and compete and realize employment in the marketplace. Also in Milestone 2, you're going to start researching the employer that you have selected for our exercise in this class. Once you have done a SWOT analysis on your selected employer, you're going to draw up another script presenting your findings. And then, to finish Milestone 2, you will do another video, this time a SWOT analysis of the employer of your choice. I think you can see the direction we're going in and that these exercises are very helpful when it comes to putting together your personal marketing package.